Hey guys, my name's Quentin. Today I'm showing you my Craftsman 139.53930DM, manufactured of March 8th, 2011. Here, let me close the light cover. The garage door opener still works. By the way, I still have the two remotes with me, and our old LiftMaster remote, but you can't see the model number because, well, I don't know what the model number is, because the label is wearing off, but I think I could see the manufacturer date on the corner of the label. It was manufactured of April 2008 when our old LiftMaster garage door opener came with this remote. But when I was driving by the house that I wanted to drive by, and it had like a different LiftMaster garage door opener. I think it's like a DC chain drive opener, but I only saw it when I was just driving by, that's all. I don't know what happened to our old LiftMaster. Maybe it must have died or something. Or maybe it was acting funny because of the my old LiftMaster remote. But it does work on our it does work on my Craftsman 139.53930DM. Excuse me. I do have the other remotes that are for Craftsman, and our keypad still works. But we're not gonna run it with the keypad and the two Craftsman remotes that I have programmed, but except for the wall button and our old LiftMaster remote. Well, anyway, without further ado, now let's operate the garage door opener in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we'll run it down. Okay, now let's operate the garage door opener with the wall button. The safety sensor test is still working. I'll show you that. The light blinks 10 times to let you know that that something is in the way of your garage. The lock button does work to let you know that you locked your garage door opener. and also to let you know that someone else is trying to open your garage door opener, but while you're gone at a road trip, or if you're going somewhere far away, if you're not comfy letting others open your garage door opener, or something like that, in case if you feel comfy having your garage door opener locked, the light button does work. It still works. Okay. There's the part on the back side that I wanted to show you again. Oops, I accidentally hit the button. Here. Okay, I want to show you the gear spinning. I'm actually gonna use the wall button to operate the garage door opener. And here we go. Okay, I'm going to show you the gear spinning. Now I'm going to run the garage door opener one more time with the old LiftMaster remote, and here we go. You can see the gear spinning through right there. Okay, now let's operate the garage door opener one more time, and then that will be enough for now. By using the old LiftMaster remote. And here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, everyone. I think that's enough for now. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.